It's one of the simplest, yet most ingenious inventions in human history. A tool so versatile, it's powered everything from ancient weapons to modern spacecraft. The coiled spring. The unsuspecting hero behind centuries of innovation and progress. The story of the spring begins in ancient times, long before it was coiled. In early civilizations, natural materials like wood and horn were used to store energy. Bows for hunting and catapults for war were the precursors to the metal springs we know today. This simple principle of storing energy in a material and releasing it set the stage for a revolutionary leap. By the 15th century, the coiled spring made its grand debut in Europe. Clockmakers were some of the first to harness its power, creating portable timepieces that no longer relied on weights and pulleys. Leonardo da Vinci himself sketched designs that hinted at the potential of springs, imagining their use in everything from machines to human flight. The Industrial Revolution propelled the spring to new heights. Mass production and advancements in metallurgy allowed engineers to refine coiled springs for heavy-duty tasks. Trains, looms, and even the earliest cars all relied on these versatile components. From shock absorbers to engine components, springs became the backbone of progress. Springs didn't just stay in factories and machines. They found their way into our homes, our toys, and our tools. The slinky, invented by accident in the 1940s, turned a practical component into a playful icon. Today's springs are pushing the boundaries in aerospace, robotics, and even medicine. They're in the mechanisms of Mars rovers, the joints of prosthetic limbs, and the shocks on high-performance bikes. No matter how advanced our technology gets, the humble spring remains indispensable. Now let's fast forward to present day. Join us here at Cook Spring as we explain why our products are so vital to your everyday life. As a global leader in precision spring manufacturing, we proudly supply some of the most renowned companies in the United States and abroad. Our springs power life-saving medical devices, ensure safety in transportation, and play a crucial role in advancing renewable energy technology. These industries depend on precision, reliability, and innovation, qualities that Cook Spring has perfected, ensuring your parts work exactly the way you want them to. The reason we are so committed to quality assurance is that we're not just making springs. We're creating solutions that drive progress in the most critical fields. With a commitment to quality, sustainability, and innovation, Cook Spring Company is shaping a better future, one spring at a time. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed learning about the history of springs or how Cook Spring Company drives innovation, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Curious about how each spring is made? Check out the videos linked here. We've got plenty more to explore about unique manufacturing processes. As always, when precision matters, Cook delivers. We'll see you in the next video.